Used car prices are crashing fast in 2025, and no one seems to understand why. Cars that were selling for crazy prices a year ago are suddenly dropping thousands of dollars in value. Dealers are panicking, buyers are confused, and mechanics are seeing the chaos up close. But here's the truth. This crash didn't come out of nowhere. There are clear reasons why the used car market is falling apart, and if you own a car right now, you need to pay attention. For the past few years, used cars were gold. Shortages, inflation, and production delays made every used car a treasure. People were paying more for a 3-year-old car than it cost brand new. But now the tables have turned and the market is correcting fast. Prices are falling across the board, and the people getting hit hardest are the ones who bought during the peak. So what's causing the crash? First, new car production has finally caught up. Factories are building again, and dealers are desperate to move new inventory. That means massive discounts, financing deals, and rebates, all of which drag used car prices down. Second, interest rates are sky high. Financing a used car costs way more than it used to, and buyers simply can't afford the monthly payments anymore. Third, repossessions are rising. People who overpaid for their cars during the pandemic are now underwater on their loans. Banks are taking cars back, flooding the used market with inventory. More supply, less demand, prices drop. But there's another reason few people talk about: repair costs. Modern cars, especially those packed with electronics and driver assist systems, are ridiculously expensive to fix. Mechanics are seeing it every day. A single blown sensor or battery module can cost thousands. That's making older used cars, especially those out of warranty, less desirable. Buyers are starting to realize that saving money up front can cost them later in repairs. At the same time, electric vehicles are shaking up the used market too. EV technology is evolving fast, and older models lose value the moment a new battery or longer-range version hits the market. Nobody wants to buy a used EV that's already outdated or needs a new battery pack. And that uncertainty is pushing used prices down even more. So what does all this mean for you? If you're trying to sell your car right now, it might be painful. Prices are sliding week by week, and waiting could mean losing even more value. If you're buying, though, this is your moment. The power is finally shifting back to the buyer. You can negotiate hard, find better deals, and take your time, something that was impossible just a year ago. But be smart. Not every cheap car is a good deal. Before you buy, always check service history, get a professional inspection, and look for signs of deferred maintenance. A car that looks like a bargain might hide thousands in future repairs. And don't forget, even though prices are falling, interest rates still matter. A lower price can be offset by high financing costs if you're not careful. Mechanics across the country are already warning their customers. They're seeing cars repossessed, traded in, or abandoned because repairs cost more than the cars are worth. It's a cycle. High repair costs lead to lower resale values, and lower values make people stop maintaining their cars. And when that happens, the whole market gets flooded with junk. So where does the market go next? Most experts expect prices to keep falling through 2025 as supply evens out. By late this year, used car values could be back to pre-pandemic levels, maybe even lower. That's great news if you've been waiting to buy, but brutal if you bought high in 2022 or 2023. It's a tough reality, but it's also how the market balances itself. At the end of the day, cars are not investments, they're tools. And the market is finally reminding everyone of that. If you're shopping for a car, now's the time to research, negotiate, and stay patient. And if you already own one, keep it maintained, drive it longer, and don't panic over falling prices. Everything in the car world moves in cycles, and this one's just starting a new chapter. The used car price crash of 2025 is real, but it's not the end of the world. For smart drivers, it's the start of opportunity. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real talk about cars, repairs, and the auto industry. Drop a comment below. Are you seeing car prices fall where you live? Let's compare notes, because what's happening in your city could be the future for everyone else.